Oh no, my California condor has avian flu. What should I do?
I don't know.
Don't you care about nature?
No, I just care about shooting guns and the price of eggs.
Well, what if I tell y'all, like, we can kill, or rather we can save 2 birds with 1 stone with egg bullets. These are non-lead bullets, because of course lead poisoning is a huge factor in bird deaths, and they also have an experimental vaccine coating on the bullets themselves that will spread from animal to animal, so that way they're vaccinated naturally in much the same way as the virus spreads.
So won't they be more expensive than my lead bullets?
That's why we have our special gold bullet incentive. If you get this lucky one in your pack, you can get either a year's supply of bullets or a year's supply of eggs.
You got a deal. Are you
Egg
happy with that deal?
Florida panthers their reproductive health is declining due to pollutants such as herbicides, pesticides, and we decided, what if there was a simple solution to helping combat that with by altering their DNA? So in our laboratory, we concocted a colorful, fun shot that is well researched on how to help them fight against that.
Based on gene editing, and we also trace the eDNA in the environment to research on what pollutant impact of water, oil, or something, and we are also going to design outreach plan after doing this kind of research and implementation in the area. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, welcome everybody. We were researching a coral, I think it was the elkhorn coral, which is threatened right now in the ocean because it is dying off because of a disease that is attacking it. And we went through and we found out a list of various things that causes that disease to more easily replicate and therefore kill off more and more coral. And so there were several things, but pollution was one that we noticed was one that we thought that we could mitigate with technology. Primarily we were thinking about runoff from farm fields that were putting too many nutrients into the ocean, and that was causing the bacteria to replicate more easily and then also kill off the coral. So we went to, we were trying to figure out a way to absorb those nutrients, the runoff from the farm fields at the source, and then do it in such a way that we could capture those nutrients and then sell them back to the farmer to use again, because that could create a cycle that keeps those nutrients useful. And so we came up with was a smart textile.
A what if scenario like this textile will be able to communicate either with a robot or the farmers and let them know when they're full and they need to be replaced. And in that case, it would be easier to just go there with this tree-like roots that are made also from these smart garments and replace the textile, put a new one, and then extrapolate from the fertilizer that the textile captured, and the farmers can get it back. So it's like a circular economy.